Hello friends, I'm Jay Shah and today I will be just making one simple video, one review. Sumi Ink 60, as you can see, Zig cartoonist 60 ml ink, okay, and its price is 510 rupees and it's showing the month and year of import 1 to 2021 and country of origin is saying Japan, okay, and name and address of the importer is Earth Brothers, okay. Sumi ink 60 ml. Here it is written, warning, may be harmful if swallowed. Skin irritant, eye irritant, contains calcium chloride. Precautions, keep away from eyes, keep out reach of children. First aid treatment if eye contact occurs. Rinse with tap water for 5 to 10 minutes. If irritation persists, seek medical care. If swallowed, rinse mouth and drink 2 glasses of water or milk. If skin contact occurs, wash with soap and wait for 5 minutes. Okay, there's the precautions, but nothing written how to use this ink and anything. Okay, what to do and how to do, we don't know. Okay, now we will just remove this wrapping, the plastic wrapping. Let me take one pencil, hope it will work. Yeah, as you can see, we just remove the wrapping. Let's open it. You see the bubbles coming right out. Let the ink stable. Let's find out the thickness of the ink and all. Okay, so I'm taking this hunt nib and my holder like this. One thing I like of this one, the opening is very big, so you can dip it very nicely. Few inks have very small openings like this, so when we use these holders they don't go inside, but I'm seeing this one is much big. Let me dip it for the first time. Okay, we got the ink, but then also it's much inside. I don't know what is the bubbles in this. Yeah, let's write out something and check it out. The ink, wow, great. Yeah, wow. As you can see, on a single dip I am writing this. And I give it a good review. The Y is not coming, that means in a single dip I wrote FANC and this one, Y is not coming, and the ink is nice and not much thick, not much light. Let me try out something else like this. But one thing, the ink is just getting to the nib of the upper side, the lower side is not getting. But then also very smooth and good, you can use it I recommend it. Very good for any calligraphy purpose. It's good. Let's try with a different nib. It's a sharp nib, Nico nib. That's right. As you can see, the hairlines are very fine with this. I almost completed the W, as you can see, and now it's not working. That means we completed up the half of X. That means it's a very good ink. It is persistent and takes. Let me touch it. See, it's a little bit of glossy. Nice. The ink is very good. You see the gloss, the shades. It's coming. You can use it and comment me after you purchase it and write with this. Give me the review also. Thank you.